Good day. This is Teacher Des. Reading comprehension is the last part of reading test. Just read the passage and answer the questions. For today, you will read 2 passages. The first one that you will read is a notice. Please read the notice and answer 153 to 154. You can pause the video if you need more time. Well, it seems that you are ready to check your answers. Temporary study permits for international tourists. If you are an international tourist in the United States of America with a valid T9 tourist visa, the government will allow you to study any course offered by a recognized university or community college within the area or region you have indicated as your location of stay. Courses must not exceed 4 months in length and must be paid for in full upon registration. To apply for this special study permit, visit an immigration office located in any major city along with your passport, including your T9 visa, an official letter of registration from your institution's registrar's office, 1 passport size photo, as well as $50 for administration fees. Temporary study permits will be processed within 2 days. Immigration Office, United States of America. Now, let's answer the 2 questions. 153. What is this notice mainly about? A. Instructions on how to immigrate to the U.S. B. How to obtain legal papers to study in U.S. C. T9 visa regulations. And D. International tourist duties to the government. The notice is about how to obtain legal papers to study in the U.S. Letter B is the answer. Letter C. T9 visa regulation is wrong. We are talking about the T9 visa here, but not its regulation, so this is wrong. Now let's go back to letter A. Instructions on how to immigrate to the U.S. This is wrong. This is not the main topic of the notice. Letter D. International tourist duties to the government is also wrong. Once again, the right answer here is letter B. How to obtain legal papers to study in the U.S. 154. What is not required? Again, what is not required when applying for a study permit? A. A passport. B. An application fee. C. A tourist visa. And D. A degree from the institution. Letter D. A degree from the institution is not mentioned as a requirement for applying a study permit or a student permit. So letter D is the right answer. Letter A. A passport. B. An application fee. And C. A tourist visa are all requirements to apply for a study permit. Once again, the right answer in 154 is letter D. Now, please read the second passage and answer 155 to 156. You can pause the video if you need more time. Are you done? Now, let's check your answers. The following information is brought to you by the Legal Affairs Department. Employers that have workers who are in position that have some degree of danger are asked to follow certain precautions. By federal law, employers must guarantee that their workers are protected from injury and are provided a safe working space. Workers are entitled to refuse any job that they deem unsafe, and in some cases are allowed to leave the premises. If an employer fails to provide reasonable precautions, employees are urged by the legal department to contact a labor law attorney before they decide to refuse or perform dangerous work. Please remember that the safety of the workers is the most important aspect of any dangerous job. If you need further information about workplace safety, contact us at 730-391-4805. 155. What are employers required to do by law? A. Contact a labor law attorney. B. Ensure the safety of their workers. C. Manage the workplace well. And D. Make sure the workers leave the premises. The employers are required to ensure the safety of their workers. Letter B is the answer. Letter A. Contact a labor law attorney. Well, this is wrong. The employees should contact the labor law attorney if the employers fails to provide precautionary measures for their workers. Letter C. Manage the workplace well is wrong. Not just manage your working area well, but they are required to have a safety measure for the workers. Letter D. Make sure the workers leave the premises. This is wrong. Once again, the right answer on 155 is letter B. 156. What does the worker have the right to do in an unsafe condition? A. Close down the business. B. Accuse the employer. C. Refuse to do the work. And D. Ask for money. The worker has the right to refuse to work if he thinks he is not safe in the working place. Letter C is the answer. Letter A. Close down the business is wrong. Letter B. Accuse the employer. Well, the employees are allowed to contact their legal attorney about the case, but not to accuse right away. Letter D. Ask for more money. This is not mentioned. Once again, the right answer is letter C. Refuse to do the work. How are you doing now? I hope this reading section is very easy for you. Please remember, the more reading practice you do, the more you enhance your vocabulary as well as your reading ability. This is Teacher Des. Till next time.